In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Netflix tips, tricks and hacks that you should know. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk where related blog posts is also available. If you're stuck at home, new to Netflix, or just fancy taking Netflix to the next level, here are some great ways to get the most out of your subscription. It used to be the case that to watch a film or series with your friends, you'd have to get everyone over to your place to watch it. But maybe that's just not feasible anymore, with friends living further away. Or maybe, like many right now, you're on lockdown or isolating. Well, you'll be pleased to know that now watch your favourite shows and movies with all your friends using an extension called Netflix Party. Basically, it synchronises video playback and has a chat room that runs alongside Netflix, allowing you to watch something together without actually being together. To install Netflix Party, start off by going over to netflixparty.com and then you want to go to Install Netflix Party. You'll then be redirected across to the Chrome Web Store and you'll want to click on to Add to Chrome. Then head over to Netflix and choose the show you want to watch and start playing the video. To create your party, click onto the red NP or Netflix Party Chrome extension that's now appearing on your toolbar. Then click Start Party to get the party started and share the party URL to invite your friends. And if you're lucky enough to be invited to a party, simply click onto the party URL and you'll then be redirected to Netflix. Then what you want to do is head over and click onto the NP button on your toolbar and you'll automatically be asked to join the party. Some Netflix fans may already be aware that Netflix has a different library of movies and TV shows for every country that it's active in. However, if you've already exhausted your nation's series and movies and you fancy something new, you'll be really pleased to hear that you can actually unlock any Netflix library around the globe using Netflix with a VPN. I've actually created a more in-depth video around this, which I'll pop into the summary below. But by connecting to a VPN, you can get around geo-blocking and connect to a server in another country, making it appear like you're in that country. And in this example, if I connect to America, I'll then have access to all the content from the Netflix US library. And this hack will also work on mobile devices and Fire Sticks too. For those looking for a VPN provider, I'll pop a link in the summary below to my preferred provider, who's ExpressVPN. If you're not too sure what to watch or you're looking for suggestions, or maybe you're spending your evening ranting with your partner about whether to watch Breaking Bad or The Crown, why not take yourself out of the equation and let fate run its course using Netflix Roulette? With Netflix Roulette, all you need to do is select a few different options such as the genre and maybe the star rating from IMDb or Rotten Tomatoes. Then all you need to do is give it a spin of the wheel. A randomised movie or TV show will then appear that you can go ahead and watch. If you're travelling abroad with internet coverage or you know you're going to be in a poor Wi-Fi area, then here's another great hack. With Netflix, you can actually download certain TV shows and movies to watch offline. This is also great for entertaining the kids whilst travelling or for trips in the car too. To download Netflix content, just look out for the download icon under your favourite titles, and once it's complete, you'll find all your films available under the download section of the app. There's even such a thing called Smart Downloads, which will delete any completed episodes from your device and replace it with the next episodes when you're on Wi-Fi. Plus, if you want to check out how much space Netflix is taking up, you can also check out the usages from within here. If you can't get enough of your favourite shows, even when you're meant to be working, or if you fancy having something play in the background whilst you're working on a document, there is a great way to make sure that Netflix is always showing on top, and that's using a web browser called Helium. Helium, which is available for Mac, is a browser that always keeps media playing in a floating window that doesn't get lost or hidden behind the rest of your windows. You can still click, double-click, drag and scroll behind Helium and never actually have to interact with Helium itself. When you want to interact with the browser again, just click on the icon in the dock and you're back in control. This is the perfect hack for those that are multitasking and watching Netflix whilst at work. Now, if you've been a little overgenerous and given out your Netflix credentials to too many people, or you just want to boot off your ex, then here's how. You can sign everyone out of Netflix with just the touch of a button. This can only be done on the web version, so you'll need to head over to your computer and log in. Then, if you go to Account, and under the Settings section, you'll see Sign Out of all devices. Then, all you'll need to do is change the password, and hey presto, they're no longer in your account. Job done. I personally watch all my shows and movies with the subtitles on, just so I don't miss a thing. And if you're a subtitle fan too, then here's a great tip for you. In your profile settings, you can actually change the way that subtitles appear on the screen. And this includes the likes of the different font types, colours, sizes, shadows, and background or windows. And the text will then update on your favourite TV shows and movies. For those of you wanting more content, or if you fancy searching for something a little bit different, Netflix has thousands of categories hidden from you. There are a couple of different ways to find these. Firstly, there's a website that holds all of these categories and gives you the code that's associated to each. To check these out, head over to www.netflix-codes.com. Then, once you find the code and category that you're searching for, just click onto the link. And Netflix will then show you all of the different types of movies and TV documentaries that are associated to that category. Alternatively, you can use an extension that helps you to unlock many of these different types of secret codes, and that's called Netflix Categories. And you can install that from the Chrome Web Store, and if I just head back over to Netflix, and then click onto the extension in my toolbar, you can then search by all categories, and Netflix will then show you all the associated programs. You can also bookmark or favourite these as well, so that you can easily come back to them. Netflix loses movies and TV series every month because of the way that licensing deals work. However, there are a few different websites where you can find everything that's leaving Netflix. But a site that I particularly like is what's-on-netflix.com. On here I can go to Leaving Soon, and it will show me everything that's leaving in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada and Australia. And for those of you who are wanting to know what's coming soon or what's new, you also have options for those too. Watch Netflix from any angle. If you fancy watching Netflix from the comfort of your own bed, this trick will rotate your Netflix videos so that you can watch movies and TV shows more comfortably in bed. Netflix Flip is a small extension that will literally just flip your Netflix videos to any angle you choose. To install it, just head over to the Chrome Web Store and click onto Add to Chrome. Then when you're playing your TV show or movie, you can simply click onto the icon in your toolbar, and then you can click onto Rotate. So that was just a few tips and tricks to get you started. If there's any that you'd like to share, then please feel free to put them in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.